Hi, this is an update on the defense and security sector. This has remained one of the exciting space as we have all seen. There's a lot of re-rating that has already happened in this space. So valuation is something that is on the top of everyone's mind, but that is something I'm going to touch upon in this presentation. We have already talked about the strong growth potential for this sector in various other videos and discussions. So I strongly recommend that you go there and refer that. Here we are highlighting the various segments that under this particular sector that investors can focus on, and again the valuation and the growth outlook of the companies. The important disclaimers and disclosures. So investment in securities are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BSL, and certificate from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Please also do read the detailed disclaimers at omnisciencecapital.com/disclaimers. So moving on, the key segments is something that we need to focus here. Again, there is a big, large, well-diversified pool of companies which refer to the pure defense companies, such as your typical aircraft manufacturers, warship, submarines, or aircraft carrier manufacturers. Then there are other arms and ammunition manufacturers that are part of this segment. But what we are doing is we are expanding the scope and seeing defense and securities in a more holistic manner. And then you can also include resource companies, right? For example, to ensure energy securities or security from the availability of rare earth metals and so on. So resource security is a critical element. Then there are other segments which can be included here, which is defense logistics, right? So that becomes a very crucial part in any defense event. Cyber security, given the way things are becoming digital and evolving, that's a very important part. And also let's say financial security in terms of strategic investments, safeguarding your currency, your assets globally, and so on. So these are the elements that are part of this broad-based sector now. Now talking about the valuations, the valuation outlook currently is quite favorable with let's say if I talk about FY26 PE based on the various analyst estimates, we are looking at something like a below 20 PE, which is quite favorable. So this is something with the stack up, changing the mix beyond just the pure play companies. The valuation comfort is now being built in this space. On the growth outlook, again based on the various analyst estimates, the growth outlook for let's say next financial year is something like a mid double digit, mid-teens or higher. And so that kinds of indicate that that the growth outlook, what is happening in terms of investments, export targets, and local production, indigenization, that's all getting translated to the earnings level of the companies, and that's quite comforting in terms of the opportunity from this sector. Again, we are bringing out a report on this space, so do follow us on various channels, do sign up on emails, or follow our YouTube channel and other social media handles so that you don't miss on any updates. So that's all for this quick update. Thank you so much for your interest in Omniscience offering, and if you have any queries, or you can write to us or call us, and we'll be happy to interact with you. Thank you so much.